Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly online. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly do the Find Me Pause mystery quest. But before then, I would like you to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe, like this video and share this video. Now it is clear that a lot of millions of people have been eliminated from this pause airdrop. So please, I want to say that everyone should be serious with this pause so that you won't get eliminated. And I'm always here. The Easy Earners Club is always here to aid you, to assist you, to help you to get things done, you know, very quickly and properly. And then also you can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram group, where you can get quick and fast and insightful updates. Okay, so the link to the WhatsApp and Telegram group is in the description section below this video. Without much ado, let's quickly go ahead and do the business of the day. So what you want to do is to just click on this start button, click on it. So the next thing, the browser you have to choose is Chrome, of course. So choose Chrome. So it will take you to the website, right? So now what you want to do is to click on this and then click on this. So what you want to do is to just tap on this pause logo. So tap on it, tap. Okay, then you go back to your pause Telegram app. So you can see that this start is still there. So what you want to do is to come to the top right hand corner. You see the three dots there. So tap on it, click on it, and then you click on reload page. So click on reload page, let it reload. It has reloaded. Then you simply find your way back to the pause tag. So by clicking on N, then under limited, you can see you can now, you know, peacefully claim your 5,000 points as easy as peasy as ABC. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video. Please share this video so that your friends and your family members that are mining pause won't be eliminated. And then subscribe to this YouTube channel. We want to grow this YouTube channel so that, you know, we can be encouraged to bring in more and exciting updates for you guys. And then you can join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp group. Once again, the link is in the description section below this video. This is the Easy Earners Club. God bless you.